So I was like, well, all right, I'll try it and I'll support the team. And this shit tastes like sweet tea. It makes no sense to my brain. So I'm kind of considering maybe I should send a video off myself.
Greetings, Bang, and thank you for the callback. My name is Koi. I'm a videographer and mountain biker pursuing a tech startup in New York City, documenting the whole process along the way. I've been diving into personal branding on Instagram, and as a result have seen upwards of 2,000% growth in the last 6 months since dropping out of college. 2018 was a life changer for me, with sheer experimentation teaching me more than ever before.
See, one of the biggest reasons why I'm so interested in this company is the fact that I feel like after all the accomplishments Bang has achieved this year, the team behind it thinks they're only getting started. And that's something we have in common.
I've been following Bang since trying it to see what I could learn to push my skills in video, social media, and marketing as I started to build my own company.
Sprackle.
We are heroes, heroes in the darkest time when there is no light. Oh, we are heroes, heroes in the darkest time when we'll rise above.
What I found was one of the most forward uses of social media and influencer marketing in the field, backing a fantastic product loved by every athlete that I've told to try it. But the reality is, most people in the world aren't doing kip-up, backflip burpees. Most people don't have the energy for the mental goals they set. I've used Bang for biking here and there, but that doesn't hold a candle to the role it's played in the hustle, the all-nighters, the ability to keep building all the things that aren't my body but rely on it being up for the task. There needs to be a better balance between hustle and health. I want to push Bang as fuel for not only the athletically ambitious, but for the ambitious.
Well, that escalated quickly.